Hi everybody, so today here finally we are at day 5. So if you are watching this video today and if you are ready to practice along with me, I am assuming that you have already completed last 4 days. So I know there were very small movements and small stretches, it wouldn't take a lot of time. So once you have done that, you can feel the difference in your shoulder, in your spine as well as in your thighs. So in today's video, we are going to see how can we accumulating all those flexibility and mobility, using them, how to practice Dhanurasana properly. And if you are a beginner, if you have never tried Dhanurasana, still if you want to try, how can you really start with it and how much can you practice, and if your body is allowing you to do to go ahead, then how can you improvise and go further. So these small things we are going to discuss today. Today, instead of starting Dhanurasana straight away, if you have time, I would want you to practice day 1 as well as day 3, where we have worked a bit on shoulder as well as on your spine, so that you are done with the warm up. You can easily practice today, or at least try and attempt and see how does it feel to start Dhanurasana. Okay. First, you are going to lie down on the stomach. I am assuming that you are done with your warm up day 1 and day 3. I repeat, so that you don't find anything difficulty, or if you hurt yourself, you just be little careful. Now, bend your both the knee. Now, first stage of difficulty where people find like level 1 is trying to hold your ankle, but you are not able to hold your ankle because of the extreme stiffness in your thighs as well as in your shoulder and your spine. You won't be able to even touch. So what you can do right now, if you're in that stage, just like bend your knee, hold, try to lift it up. See if you can lift your chest and thighs up and drop it down. Lift up. See how much can you go ahead and come down. And practice this one more time. It's okay, when you practice regularly, only then you are getting better. So if you are here also, you are just few days of practice away. Now, next level of people I have seen where you find it hard to lift your body up, but you are able to hold your ankle. If you are here, if you are feeling comfortable, but if you are not able to lift your body up, you can just try and attempt to lift your body off the mat. From here, open up your shoulder, first step, and try to create arch in your back. So how is it possible? By lifting your chest up. Suppose you are able to lift your chest up, you are not able to lift your thigh up, I would ask you to attempt, try. Say if you are comfortable here, that's all you can do. Hold here for few counts and come down. Once again, lift your chest up. Take your heels away from the thighs. It's okay if you can't lift your thighs up for now. And repeat this 3 to 4 times with holding of few counts or breaths. The next thing, once you are able to do slightly beyond this, you are going to easily lift your chest up, open up your shoulder, lift your thighs up as much as you can. And come down, repeat this few times. And once you are able to do all these movements, now we'll see the alignment, how actually to do it properly. Drop your head down, exhale completely. Inhale, lift your neck up, open up your shoulder, lift your thighs how much ever you can. Once you reach, get your thighs together. This is where actually you can feel the alignments in your whole body. And slowly come down. We'll try once again. Getting your thighs together part is little hard, but then you can feel that your entire body is super active and super warm within 5 to 10 seconds. Inhale and exhale, continue to breathe. And slowly come down, palm down, and soon after that you are going to relax in child posture. Stretch your arms out, drop your head down. Breathe in, breathe out. Turn to the right side and turn to the left side. One more time, turn to the right side and to the left side. I'm sure I was able to clear most of your doubts, because I tried to keep lot of situations in our mind that what situation you could be in. I have seen my students, I have seen my own practice where I started from. So I'm sure there are not lot of doubts, but if in case if you have any doubt particularly with this movement or with this asana, you can always drop a message in comment, so I'll get to know what you're thinking, how is your view. Practice this. If you're not able to practice today, please don't get disappointed, because we cannot do a lot of things overnight, and it is absolutely fine if you're not able to do it completely. But what is important is that you're trying, you have tried. That is all what matters. So just do how much ever you can, and just like try. If you're really passionate about completing this posture, then try. That is where your hard work is visible. So practice this at least 2 to 3 times in a week. Try not to do it like completely every day, so unnecessarily you're putting a lot of pressure on the spine, which is not very healthy. Take enough breaks in between. Do a lot of warm up. So I, especially if I have to any back bend, I would prefer doing a lot of warm ups, Surya Namaskaras, all the cat and cow, all the spine movements, which really helps me to get better at my spine. It took years for me to become like this flexible by practicing every day. So you also do the same thing, practice. I'm sure you can get better than me, and I'll be really happy to see that you have been practicing with me and you're getting better. If you have done any postures which you have achieved, you can take a picture. If you're posting on Instagram, you can tag me also. I'll be really happy to see you. And if you want me to work on any other series, drop a comment. I'll have a look into it, and if it's possible, definitely I'll come up with more series. Till then, keep practicing. If you like practicing with me, do like my video, and I'll see you soon, very soon. Thank you so much. I'm also conducting online group classes. If you want to practice with me regularly, you can join these live sessions. All the details are given in the description. If you have any doubts, you can reach me on Instagram, Yoga for Cure. You can message me there.